How does IHL define superfluous injury or unnecessary suffering? Imagine a battlefield where the goal is to win without causing more harm than necessary. That's the core idea behind how international humanitarian law defines superfluous injury or unnecessary suffering. This principle is a key part of the rules that govern warfare, making sure that weapons and tactics do not cause excessive harm. It's about balancing military needs with compassion and humanity. International humanitarian law, which includes treaties like the Geneva Conventions, clearly states that causing injuries or suffering beyond what is needed to defeat the enemy is not allowed. Superfluous injury refers to harm inflicted by weapons or methods that go beyond what's needed to incapacitate or defeat an opponent. For example, weapons that cause permanent disabilities or long-term suffering without providing a military advantage are considered to cause unnecessary suffering. This rule applies no matter what the situation is. It is an absolute rule, meaning it must be followed in all conflicts. It is written into many treaties and is part of customary international law, which means it's accepted as a general practice by countries around the world. For instance, the Geneva Conventions and their additional protocols include specific rules against weapons that cause superfluous injury. When assessing whether a weapon causes unnecessary suffering, authorities look at how the weapon works and what effects it produces. If a weapon causes injuries that are more severe than what's needed to achieve a military goal, it's likely to be considered a violation. For example, weapons designed to cause permanent blindness or severe burns are banned because they cause suffering that is not justified by military necessity. This principle also covers tactics that cause excessive pain or injury. If a method of warfare causes injuries that are cruel or cause long-lasting disabilities without helping in the fight, it's considered unnecessary suffering. The focus is on whether the effects of the weapon are proportionate to the military advantage gained. In simple terms, IHL says that causing harm should be limited to what's needed to win a conflict. Anything beyond that, like causing unnecessary pain or injuries that could be avoided, is against the rules. This helps protect both soldiers and civilians from suffering that is unjustified and prevent the use of weapons that cause more harm than necessary.